What's up, people? So yeah, I'm using Visual Studio, Visual Code now, VS Code, and yeah, we're back. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna keep doing that. Show ya. So far, what I have coded is a function for this thingy. So it runs all the Turing machines of a certain state length and like a certain amount of states, and then it'll tell you, like, you know, all the stuff. I'll just show you, bro. So I'm compiling it and running it, and right now I'm running it on 3 states. Here I've ran it before. Alright, let's see how long. It takes like 40 seconds to go through all the 3 state Turing machines. Yeah, I want to try to do this with multi-threading, because that would make it quicker. That would make it a lot quicker. Okay, this is taking a while. Okay. The hell? I didn't say 58 steps. Oh. I know why. Okay, so this is all the 3 state thingies. I don't even know if this is correct or not. I'm gonna search it up. So let's search it up. Busy Beaver. Busy Beaver. Percent of 3 state. I don't even know. So I'll say, what percent of busy 3 state Turing machines halt? It's pretty cool. Generic case complexity. It's pretty cool. Alright, back.
I used to dream of this, I ain't that nigga. I got some bands, now they got their hands out. All the hoes that have a man, now they pull my pants down. They know they don't got no chance, now they done the man now. Used to be my only fan, she got only fans now. Yeah, I'm swerving, I got road rage, I feel like OJ. I don't wear no fucking Doja, I smell like Olay. I might go back to my old way, she want her soul saved. I done traded in my soulmate and got a gold chain.
What the hell?
What the hell?
I had to watch niggas winning and driving foreigns, and I was just stuck in the back. I had to learn me the business, so once I applied it, I made me a couple of racks. I had menage with Nicki and
Cardi and Megan, and then I woke up from a nap. Oh, I had a Bugatti, and then I woke up in the trap. I had a couple of friends I left in the past, cause they don't do nothing but cap. I know a couple of niggas that don't know the business, and they don't do nothing but rap. Fuck it, I guess I got me a Beamer, I'm running the lap.
So for the 2-2 turn machine, they say there's a this % chance. Let's check. 47. I got 47. What the hell? What the hell? Is this true? Is this even correct? Here I got 20,000. This many. How many two-state turn machines are there? There's only 4,096. So what did my program even do? Why is there so many? And why is this here twice? This is this might be correct. I don't know. Is that because there's repeating machines? That's pretty cool.
Okay, I came up wearing the privilege of poverty living, and I had none but scraps. I had to watch niggas winning and driving them foreigns, and I was just stuck in the back. I had to learn me the business, and once I applied it, I made me a couple of rap. I had monogamous with Nicki and Cardi and Megan, and then I woke up.
I'm gonna use this like formula. We are not doing math homework. Machines, def. Okay. So we got 2 states and 2 symbols. So this is 2 times 2 times 2. And this is 2 times 2. I'm just gonna plug that into the good old calculator. I got 6,561. So I did something wrong, probably, because K-states into symbols. Okay. So we do this, and then we load machine from the triples, and then we run it. How many steps? If the steps it ran let's say if it was under that, then let's do it. Let's see if it actually changes it. Also, these are not a thing that I care about right now. So I originally got, bro, is this even correct? So this thing halts. Oh, I have a question. What if we do this? Hold the phone. Maybe we're supposed to do this only if the condition works. So the counter, so does a step. I think first it should count, right? First it should check if it counts, and then if it's not, then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do that. So it says run until halt steps. Shouldn't this tell us if, like, reset, load, run it, and then we check. This is how we check if it halts. Why shouldn't I just classify it? I don't know. I could make that a thing right here. Run or halt result. So this I'm gonna say is that, and this I'm gonna say is that. This is there's a quick fix. It says, why is this so small? Let me just click that. I want to see. Disable arrows? No, I'm good. Okay, is this how you do it? No, I don't know. Alright, run or halt. So this should go here. So this will run until it halts, which could go on forever. This one, where's the other one? This one will run until forever, or it hits the Busy Beaver number. Show ya. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna say while T-step equals and then I'm gonna put in here I'm gonna return that. Well, actually, what the heck, dude? What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna say if counter plus plus. Come on. That's how that works, right? Can I just like break out of the while loop? So here I say if the counter plus plus whatever. So run or halt result dot halted equals true. If it didn't, I'll say false. How about that? So I don't even need a struct for this, really. It's like a simple halted. So while this is false, meaning it hasn't halted, we increment counter, and we check if it's greater than or equal to. Well, I think we gotta do that. I don't know. Halted. Call this that. I'll say here. can say here then if equals true, then we add it. So this is the same. Okay, my problem is why are there so many of them? Isn't there supposed to be like not this many? You know? Isn't there supposed to be less? Let's print all of them. Yeah, we got that many. And I don't know. This is weird. I don't know if this is working properly. Is this working properly? 211. I don't know, man. It's definitely counting. It's definitely counting. Let's see if it is smaller than 100. Let's look at the first 100. That didn't work. Well. Oh. Oops. So yeah, this is the 100. Alright, is there 100 of them? It didn't seem like 100. Alright. Well, it's 99 of them, but whatever. So we got a thing. We add a 1 and it carries over. We add a 1, carry, carry. Add a 1, around, carry 2. And then this should turn into a 1. So here we carry all the way into 2. Huh. And then we do the same thing. See, here is when it goes up. Okay. Let's do if it's divisible by 3. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know. Is that interesting? Let's put it back. It was 20,736. So let's do the last 100. Yeah. So here's the last 100. Dude, look at this. I mean, it looks like it's working. Is this is even correct, I think, because this is the triple for the first. This is 1 0 1 1 2 0 2 1. So I think that's working. Look at this. Look at this. So this long thing here, we add a 1, carry. This turns to 2. So that works out. And then it happens again. Well, it doesn't happen again. This is the last. You can't carry this anymore. So, is this correct? Is that correct? I got pretty close though, 40 something. This is interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna check what these people did. This was 8 years ago. Cool. So they're saying the total amount of rules that halt at a certain step. That's pretty cool. Oh, this is approximate. How is it? Wait, what? So creates all possible head states, creates all possible cell states, permutations. How do you just do this one, the non-halting? So they get the halting? That's what I did, right? I mean, I did, the percent was halting divided by the total, which is not halting plus halting, which is what happens. Hold up, my cat wants to go outside. Alright, back. Bro. I don't really know what the hell is happening here.
Bitch with me in a color hose Zazu. Mind your business. Fuck your opinion. Nobody asked you. Look, this that wop shit. Shit'll make a nigga wanna stop drop shit. Roll when you hit him with the Glock bitch.
Bro.
Semi-automatic, kiss a nigga really think he want static. Now nigga doing pop lock bitch. Oh, you thought you was a hot shot bitch. Now you want the crown with a hot shot bitch. Nigga, I was raised on a block bitch. This is my time, no stopwatch bitch. All of my whips is top notch bitch. I got a plug in the chop shop bitch.
What?
Fucking your bitch, don't cop lock bitch. I get your bitch, I'm a Casa bitch. She gon' rob my drop top bitch. Zima, who got the keys
Whatever, bro.
Poverty living and I ain't had none but scraps. I had to watch niggas winning and driving the foreigns and I was just stuck in the back. I had to learn me the business and once I applied it, I made me a couple of racks. I had menages with Nicki and Cardi and Megan and then I woke up from a nap. Ooh. I had a Bugatti and then I woke up in the trap. I had a couple of friends I left in the past cause they don't do nothing but cap. I know a couple of niggas that don't know the business and they don't do nothing but rap. Fuck it, I guess I just shut up and drive. I got me a Beamer, I'm running a lap. Zima, ooh, got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer, bitch. I used to dream of this. I ain't that nigga.
Yeah, bro. Yes, that's the same number I got. This, okay. I thought I was going crazy there for a second. Did something completely wrong. But anyways, I do want to know what percent of Turing machines halt. And I think it is this. I think it is that. Let me run it again. So let's look at the code again and just take a look. So if it halted, we add, okay? And that goes right here. Right. It goes right here. So if this is correct, yeah. So yeah, I don't know if this is correct, actually. Because look at this. If I take out the equals. Alright, we're gonna get more things that halt, and I don't know which one is correct. So that's what I was trying to look for. So yeah, that's what I was trying to find out. Oh, it says it right here. Oh, halting or not. Number of halting Turing machines. Let's take a look here. Look at this. I found it. Wow, this is such a good website. Huh. That's interesting. This is a very interesting website. Alright, well. So anyways, the number is 9784, which is this one, which is correct. Isn't that funny? Alright, look, so let me copy that, paste the number in there, and we can look around. Oh, that's a lot of numbers. There's 63 pages of integer strings integer sequences that have this number in it. That's interesting. And it's a power of 4. It is a squared Fibonacci number. It is also this thing in here, part of the sequence. It is a power of 12. What? Solution to the select all copy paste problem? What the heck are these highly powerful numbers? This is interesting. I didn't know. I'm gonna bookmark this. I am gonna bookmark this, guys. This is crazy. What is that, man? Like, come on, what is that? That's crazy. All right, what is this? A video? The next number. Yeah. What's with the creepy music? Yeah, the music is creepy. The music is creepy. Okay, that's pretty cool. I didn't know. I didn't think to use the website because I knew that website existed, but I never used it. Interesting. Wow, that gives me confidence. That gives me confidence. So what do I do now? What do I do now? Okay, I wanted to do coding method. Yeah, I was gonna try this. I wanted to try this. What is that? The coding? Theorem. I think. Never mind. Let's look at this one. Invariance theorem. Let's look at something else. Let's look at this. This dude has some slides somewhere. Yeah, I don't really care about this though. I'm just trying to look for Kolmogorov complexity. Isn't this, look at that, bro. Integer sequences. It's from AT&T. AT&T, goddamn. That's cool. Is this real? What is that? Is that real? Look cool. Okay, so they're gonna talk about strings, Turing machines. Yeah, I'm just gonna, there's a complexity. Nah, bro, I'm not gonna look at this. I'm not gonna look at this. Is there like a website I can look at? Yeah, here we go. So, prime numbers? No, I'm not gonna look at this. That's a distraction. So this one uses the universal Turing machine. Yeah, I have to do that. So they're gonna do a universal. What is this? Minorizes, minimal. So there is. So there exists a partial recursive function that minorizes every partial recursion function. What is the minorize again? Minorization. Okay, so you have a function that this is set to minorize this if the complexity of it in the function f is smaller than or equal to the complexity of the other one for all inputs. That's interesting. Okay, so there is a theorem here that they're saying minorizes every partial recursive function. So that's Turing completeness, right? That is Turing completeness. So they say that Kolmogorov complexity is using the universal Turing machine. And it is Turing machine M halts on input W and output X. So the smallest thingy majiggy, okay. I'm actually curious. I want to read this now. So there's infinitely many primes. Suppose there isn't, and you can have the list of all of them. And then you have a natural number who is encoding in binary, is incompressible. Yeah. And then you have n is this thingy. What power of 2m is, which is a natural number. Cool. And then plus 1. M as product of primes. Okay, note that we can describe M, whatever. You know, I'm not gonna read this. I'm not reading that, alright. Is there a thing can we have the coding theorem hashing it? They did talk about hashing. What about the coding theorem? Come on now. Let me just read this. How about that? Okay. Okay, we're gonna use this. How many pages? 270 pages. Theory and methods. Okay. I think I do have to look at the theory. Let's see. So they talk about probability, and then they talk about Kolmogorov. So I'm gonna looky at this. So this is plane complexity, T, universal Turing machine. Yeah, so you put in the program P, and then it gives you S, the minimum length program. Okay. So they're saying we will focus on the new methods to wait. Been used and abused to approximate K. Oh. Cool. They offer a little related to the algorithmic side. I don't really want to read that. Even though I should, maybe. So the longer the string is, the less important thingy. This is cool. This is cool. So if you have two universal Turing machines, the complexity, there exists a constant. It's always going to be under a constant. The difference between the two is always going to be under a constant. So I guess, yeah, they say the longer the string, the less relative distance it'll be, whatever. Okay, here we go. They call it the coding theorem method. Alright, let's just go there. Let's just go. Actually, let's take a look at this still. Alright, so they have the coding theorem. So this is the equation that's right here. And then they magically put it here. So that's cool. So if it halts, yeah, then it outputs S. Oh, and then we increment S in the frequency. Okay. Okay. So Turing machine produces S for the first time. thus we know it precisely KVS. One second. Okay. I'm back. So yeah, okay. So there's a thing here, algorithmic probability. So 22. God damn, bro. What is this? Wait, hold the. So this is this. Universal Turing machine.
Put me inside of a room with niggas you think that are better than me. I crush them inevitably and leave them as dead as can be. They go to any nigga who's stepping to me. They all come second to me. My words are weapons to me. I burn it second degree and get it. And I'm sick of any nigga that's sick and I got a sick and shivering. Even riddle and get rid of the kidding. You gotta be kidding. I'm tripping. I kinda feel like a kid again. Yeah, I got something to say. I ain't with the games. I ain't you a bra, go tuck your legs. You trapped in the wrong body like Young and May. I need my money like underlay. Got a 1-inch blade. Get cut to me, run that fade. I ain't really with the dumbass shade. I come back brave. Get clapped when I run back same Zima. Yeah. Hey, I'm the guy's damn sugar. I'm a trail like nigga. I'm a Jack Driller. I'm a VJ killer. I'ma get him long range. Reggie Miller. Watch me swerve on him.
So how do we
Yeah. I'm the guy's damn sugar. I'm a
do
trail like
this?
nigga. I'm a Mike Jack Driller. I'm a VJ killer. I'ma get him long range. Reggie Miller. Watch me swerve on him.
What is D4? Empirical distribution.
I want a Rari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me. They feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then bring an army. I've been going fucking fast and it got me swerving. I know that I'm a child of God, but they want me cursed. I've been trapping out the Ozark, I'm already burdened, and I've been hard working.
Okay, so this is probability distribution of the strings produced by all two symbol holding Turing machines with end states. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna do. That's the next thing I have to work on. So this works. This will enumerate all the Turing machines. This works as well. This thing. So yeah, that works. So we got steps. We don't even use steps. We just use this. Okay, so what I have to do now is do experiments on the output of the Turing machine. So yeah, this stuff works. So what do we do now? I want to make a function real quick for load machine. So here we got load machine from triples string. Let's look at that. Okay, what about this? So there's a string. I think I have to do away with this type. I don't know. I don't know. It's only used a few times. It's really not that crazy. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It don't matter, bro. That's too much optimization right there. So what I'm gonna do is make another function. Put right here. Load machine from char string. There we go. Alright, so this is the length of the thing. This is their thing. So we're gonna do load machine from char string. Is that what we're gonna do? Is that what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a string. What I wanna do. No, I wanna do that. This is weird, guys. This is weird. This is a weird. Alright. Okay. Implicit. Let's call it implicit. Does this work? This is the AI just wrote this. All right, VS Code has AI autocomplete. This is correct. So this would be that, and then right here, let's take a look. Look-see look. So we have the I is smaller than the length. This can't be right, actually. Is this correct? I mean, there's only one way to find out. there's only one way to find out. How about we look at the let's look at this. So what I want to do is do this. Alright. So what's up with that? I want to be able to copy this. So let's go to TuringMachine.io and this is interesting. Here, I don't know what they do. Is there a standard syntax for this? Does this even... 88 million undecided. What I want to know is what's up with this language. If it has no undefined transition, it is sure that it will never halt, as it cannot ever encounter an undefined transition. I don't even know what that means. I mean, undefined transition? You know what, I'm not gonna do that. I already have code that works. I'm not gonna just do some crazy stuff. I'm just not gonna do some crazy stuff. Alright, what I'm gonna do is something else. So right here, I want to do the Turing string. I want to do a Turing string. I want to do a Turing string. This one, T transition function string. Yeah, I already got a function. So this loads. Brody. I don't like this function right here, this type. I don't like the type. But this is our function though. We do this. Load transition function string into the table and state one. This does that. This does this. So let's look over here and let's do. Let's call a let's find a binary pattern or something. What is this? Can I do this? Binary increment. It has two states, does it? And then it halts. So there's literally like two states and then it halts. How do I... Oh, this is an instruction. Is there a way to copy this? Is what? So right 1 0 this. I don't know what this even. What? How do I download this? Binary pattern. Let's do that. Oh, this one has a lot of states. That's okay. We don't need that many. How about this? What the heck? Can I... Okay. What? This one has 2 states, but it accepts different amounts of input, I think. Okay, this is the state table. Okay. So this accepts 2 inputs. I only have 1 input. Is there... Oh my god. So I have a question. I remember there was a Turing machine for this. I think it was this one. Is there a Turing machine that adds 2 numbers? Is there another one that does something else? Complex counter.
I want a Rari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me, they feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then bring an army. I've been going fucking fast and it got me swerving.
Is this the counter? Let's just go to some random machines that halt. All these don't halt. I want a halting. Yeah. Oh my god. What is this? This doesn't even halt. I mean, is there like... Alright, let's take a look at this. Let's also look at this. Yeah. Bitch with me in a color hose as mind your business. Fuck your opinion, nobody asks you. Look, this that wop shit. Shit'll make a nigga wanna stop, drop shit. Roll when you hit him with the Glock, bitch. Semi-automatic, kiss a nigga really think he wants static. Now nigga doing pop, bitch. Oh, you thought you was so does this halt? I don't think it does halt. So what can I... Does it just keep going? It just keeps on going, doesn't it? Oh my god. That's a weird... These are some weird structures. Look at that one. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea, Mr. Krabs. Why is it so small? Let's what? Can I decrease this? Can I go negative? No. So this is 0, 1. Oh, so that's where the head is and what state it's at. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, let's zoom all the way. So what I'm gonna do is copy this. What I wanted to do was make a way to copy this. Oh, yes, finally. Yes.
Who got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer? Bitch, I ain't no yeah. I want a Rari, I'm feeling godly. Wonder how much that gon' cost me. They feeling saucy. Niggas know that I'm a problem, they'll never solve me. If you came and start some drama, then bring an army. I've been going fucking fast and it got me swerving. I know that I'm a child of God, but they want me bursting. I've been trapping out the Ozark, I'm already burdened. And I've been hard at work at hoe, you just hardly working. If it wasn't for this rap shit, I'd be moving kilos. Front to back from my connecting copper.
Markdown table generator.
Fake it till I made it just to boost my ego. Stashing money in my shirt, they thought I grew some Chichos. Oh no, I got some new wheels, Tired of kids, they think that we in school still, Play me, you gon' find out how the two feel, Fuck around and you gon' find out who's real, Ooh, yeah, Zima, who got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer? Bitch, I used to dream of this, I ain't that nigga you could play with, nigga, that's dangerous. Told him I was raised in the basement, twin AKs in the playpen. Take your face, rearrange it, I can turn eggs into bacon. I can serve base with an apron, niggas been waiting to hate it. I got a beam and I'm anxious to race it, room right past you. Cops keep following a nigga, that's bad news, I don't like hassles. Suck it down, Remy, and I'm feeling like
Alright.
I don't crash it. Little bird bitch with me in a color Hozazu, mind your business. Fuck your opinion, nobody asks you. Whoa, look,
let me search this up though. What is undefined transition? What do we do? What do we do with an undefined transition? Do we just halt? Oh, they say it just halts. Okay, interesting. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is copy, paste right there, and then I'm gonna, I don't know. This is a different thing. I'm gonna make another language for this. No, I'm not gonna do it, bro. Why the freak? Why the freak would I do that? Alright. Why the freakazoid would I do that? Let's go up here. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy that. And I'm gonna call this random TM1. And yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. I'm just gonna copy this. So this has no undefined transitions, which is cool. If it was though, I could just fill it in with 0 to be the halting. And yeah, alright, so let's do this. So T right, this is pretty much annoying. So I'm gonna define simple as that. Some synonyms for it right there. So that's good. So we got right and left. You know, that seems kind of wrong actually. Maybe I should just like, screw it, bro. Screw it. I'm just gonna keep it. Alright. Okay. So the first one is 1RB. Guys, I really want to make a function to parse this, but I just want to see if the output is working. So that's why I'm comparing it to like one that I know works, which is this one. So let's just try it. I gotta stop being crazy. So it's gonna be right 1B. Let me do that. Let me put spaces to make it easier. So this is 0 LA 0 LA. So this is 0 LA. This is 1RC. What? Let's just let's do this. Make it easier. Oh my god, what is it doing? It's auto-completing the goddamn... Jesus. Alright, we got this. I gotta like press escape before I do it. Wait. This is good, right? Oh my god, alright. Yeah, it's not gonna have this. So this is 1RB, 0 LA, 1RC, whatever the freak that is. Let me actually this is A1, B2, C3, B4. So 2, 1, 3, A, B, 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 A. So this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Right, left, right, right, left. right, left. Alright, let's first. So we got B, R1, A, L0, C, R1, A, R1, D, L0, D, R0, B, R0, A, L1. Okay. Okay, we got 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 2, 1. Okay. So that's it. This is the Turing machine. Let's keep it there. Okay. Okay, so this is our 4-state Turing machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is that's that. So I'm gonna do void random tm test load random tm. Let's so it's Turing. What was it? T-trans function. There we go. AI to the rescue. So it actually this actually does something. So it's transition table good, okay. Once I plotted, I made me a couple of racks. I had menages with Nicki and Cardi and Megan, and then I woke up from a nap. Oh, I had a Bugatti, and then I woke up in the trap. I had a couple of friends I left in the past, cause they don't do nothing but rap. I know a couple of niggas that don't do nothing but rap. Fuck it, I guess I just shut up and is this even correct? It's the string size. Number of states, yeah, so it depends on the number of states that I choose. So just to change state number 4, so we can do that. Here we're gonna do random Turing machine test. So we're gonna run where I'm gonna add something. So does this ever get called? No, so I can just modify this. I'm gonna call this max steps. So this is the maximum number of steps it will do. I could also do this. What? Wait. Max steps counter. I think I just have to. Whatever. Okay, so we're gonna say if counter plus plus greater than or equal to max steps, then we're gonna return. So if it does this, run halted equals true, and if it's not, then we're gonna say run halted equals false. Okay, so run until halt. Run until halt. So we're gonna do, I'm gonna rename this road random thing, and then I'm gonna call run until halt, and then I'm gonna put like 10, and then I'm gonna do printf. Okay, print the current terrain output. Am I gonna have to do this and print? Is that is this correct? I don't know. Yeah, let's do that. So I don't know if this is correct, but we're gonna do this. We should look at that. It did something. Okay, so there are errors. There are errors. Let's clear. Oh yeah, because in here it loads. What's the problem? In a region of size 100? 364? What is it doing? So here it says it is accessing 204 bytes in a region of size 100. String overflow. How? So you put the table here and then the string. Oh, what's it? Yeah. What if I do that? What if I do that? It's the same thing. I knew that type was no good because I put the size here. This type is no good. Let's just do away with the type. We don't need it. We do not need it. Okay, so this halts on step 10, right? So let's go forward. So 10. This is 10. This is a tape. I got 11001. So 11001. So I think it's working. And the head is here. Yeah, so that makes sense. So C is the forest. Wait, actually, what did they do with the tape? This is weird. So they say that it has the ones and zeros, and then they have this, I think, to show where the head is. And so on this one, it's specifically here, and there's a 1 right there. Right, so that's okay. So there's a 1, and then it's a 1 0. Let's try that. So let's do 18. Let's try 18. So I got 1 1 0 and then 4 1s at 18. 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. That is true, but they say there's a 0 here. Even though, so on 16 it went further. I think my code didn't count it, so let's go to 16. Let's go to 16. So let's do 16. Now, let's go to 16. Let's change the height, by the way, so to make things easier. Alright, so at 16 we have this, and then it shows where the head is. One, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So my understanding is that I'm missing something somewhere. Missing something somewhere. Is it this? That's not working? So right increases it. Alright. So the right should increase it. Left should decrement it. Is this correct? So we got min and max. So T-most, rightmost, min, max. So min, I mean, I think it's working. So maximum will return A if it's bigger. It'll return A if it's smaller here. Also, what's 2 to the 15? 2 to the 15 is 32,000. So 32 kilobytes. So I don't really know right now. So here we do the right, here we do the next state, and here we do the actions. So first you write, and then we change each state, and then we move on the tape, which kind of sounds right to do. I think it has to do equals. I think it's as simple as that. I think it's as simple as that. Because now it includes the last So what is the behavior of this? So it equals start, it has to go all the way to the end. So I could say if it is not equal, then continue. Is this good? Smaller than or equal to? Yeah, I think it's just that. Has to be smaller than or equal to. Okay, the reason this code doesn't work is because we're here. The size, right? Aren't we supposed to use the size to determine? Okay, hold the phone, bro. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Let's do this manually because AI is not doing it. AI is not doing it. Let's try our own thing. So do I equals 0. I turning output size. Alright, and then we're gonna do that. That's not good, okay. Do I have to add 1 to this always? That's weird, that's so weird. Let's keep trying it out on different thingies. Okay, so let's try on this, which is time step 4. Apparently, wait, that's not 10. That's 10. Okay, so I got 110010. Yeah, that's what I got here. Alright, let's go to a different. Let's go to 10,000. I don't know. Oh, that's a big. Look at that. Alright, let's just. Let's see. So we got 10,000. You know, we got a string. Let's try this out. So that's our string. And then here at 10,000, we get this. Let's remove this. And let's. I mean, I get. On theirs, they have an extra 0. They have an extra 0 on theirs. Why is that? They have 2 zeros on theirs. Let's go to 5,000 because that's small. Okay, it's not small. Like 1,000. Let's just go to 100. How about that? Simple. Nope. Let's go to 20. Alright, we got 20 right there. Let's do 20. So that's 20. So that's what we got. And what they get is this, which works. It's this. Whoops. Okay, so that's apparently working. Let's try 45. So is that T20? So that's what right there. Let's try 45. We get the same thing. Let's go forward like 20 steps or something. Let's do more than 20, but whatever. Alright, so 80. This is what they get. Okay. This is what we get, which is the same thing. So what's the big deal? What happens when we get to, I don't know, another like 1,000? What happens? So this is what I get for 1,000. This is 1,000. This is what we get. We get the same thing. What? So 10,000? Just, I don't know, bro. What about 5,000? Simple as that, 5,000. So we got 5,000. So this is what they get. Alright. And then what I get is this. I get the same thing. What the heck is the big deal? What happens at 10,000 that stops working? What the heck? Oh. Wait, what? 10,000. Can I put a comma there? That works, right? No. What? Wow, I got a bigger string. When so ours prints more strings apparently. Prints more digits. Why does it do that? It seems like all of them, all the digits are the same. Like all of them. Except mine just prints more. What the heck? What? Why is it doing this? Run until halts. Maybe it's doing more steps.
Bitch with me in a color Hozazu. Mind your business. Fuck your opinion. Nobody asks you. Whoa. Look, this that wop shit. Shit'll make a nigga wanna stop, drop shit. Roll when you hit him with the Glock, bitch. Semi-automatic, case a nigga really think he want static. Now nigga doing pop, bitch. Oh, you thought you was a hot shot, bitch. Now you want to crown with a hot shot, bitch. Nigga, I was raised on a block, bitch. This is my time, no stopwatch, bitch. All of my whips.
Is it the counter? Is it the steps? That's kind of weird. Because I don't feel like this is supposed to be +1. Maybe it's this one that has to be +1 or -1, even though that doesn't change anything. Alright, let's go back to some other ones. So let's do 20. 20 steps. We have this, which is shorter. Okay, so let's try +1. What? Got the keys to my motherfucking Beamer, bitch. I used to dream of this. I ain't that nigga. Nah, this is just. Nah. Is this really? This really gonna be like this? So we look. For example, so why is it not including the last 0? So it did it at time step 14. Okay, so what I need to do is at these critical points where it turns, I needed to include that. Oh, maybe it is +1. Because this is at index -1. Alright, and this is at 2. So let's go to 2, for example. How about this? So there's a 0, so this is times 0, and the tape includes the first 0. So by definition, this one would be +1. Right. This is weird because the tape I. Nah. Yeah, we gotta do this. So we got this thing, memory set, and the size. Let's do 0. This is odd. This is odd. So times 0. This is not Correctamundo. Okay, I'll call this the halt step. Okay. I'll call this the last step. So the counter, so it should start at 0, and then if it equals the last step. Okay, so we really do have to do something here. So I'm gonna do this. Yeah, we are gonna do this. We're gonna do that. So this is the edge case. So last step is 0. That means we're not gonna do any steps at all. But if it's not 0, then yeah, we're gonna do the steps. And then, so that would guarantee this would be at least 1. Not gonna lie. So nah, I think it would still be 0. Let's try it out. So let's do 2. No, let's do 0. Right. Let's go to the bottom. I already have 0. So this is correct. So at the 0 it should be at 1. At 1 it's 1 1, which isn't technically correct. So the head is here. It does turn into 1 1. So it skips a step. We start actually here, which is not what I want. So at step 1, it should only execute 1 step. Alright. Is that how that works? So if I say T1, so what we do apparently is, so here the head is here, and here what does this do? I don't know what. Oh, that's the speed. So here at 1, we don't. Okay, what about this? So the size is 1. Here the size is 2. So I think what has to happen is we only get the output at like the beginning or something. So this code would be different. I think it would go before this stuff happens. I'm not sure. sure, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, that's correct. That is correct. So if there's 0, 0, we have 1. It's 1. So 1 is 1. Not really. It's supposed to be 1, 0. 1, 0. What is not happening? What is not happening? This is where I'm supposed to be debugging using tools to debug. But let's continue this. Oh, I think so. Right here is where that should go. Okay, I'm not understanding. I think I wrote this loop incorrectly. The step function. So how they do it here is, for example, on 1, the head is at here. So the head is here, but it doesn't write on this step. Here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna debug. We are going to debug. And I'm gonna write a little macro for that because that is yeah. One second. Alright. So, and I'm too lazy for that. Too lazy. What I'm gonna do is print. This wrote at is this so this is a step 1. So at step 1, it should ideally only do 1 step, which is this one. And it's doing 2. So let's figure that out. Maybe this should be 1. I don't know. Alright, let's keep checking. Okay, so 0. Carry output. Alright, and if we put 1, 1 is 1. That's good. And at 2, wait, isn't 1? Wait, hold up. It's 1 0. 1 is 1 0, not just 1. Oh my god. So we do this. but I don't know, man. My cat is meowing. I'm gonna bring her back. Bring her inside my room. Alright, back. So I'm a little confused because it's incrementing the tape. It writes, changes the state, and then it increments the tape. Maybe this is not right. Is it supposed to do right? And is this supposed to? So it starts here, and then it says right. So A0. We are in A0, and then that goes into 1RB. 1RB. I don't get it. What is it? What am I doing? So at 1. What about 2? Let's look at 2. I should look at 2. How about we do this? Why don't we do that so we can check all the different things. Dude, test. Let's call that dude test. And yeah, we do like this. That's not right. So I call that N. Okay, so let's do test. Okay, let's do that. Okay, and then let's do this. So it goes 0, 1, 0. That's the first error. And at 2, it's 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2. I think this is the first error. Okay, so I did a little thinking. I think this should be before. And I don't really get it. I do not really get it. So here, does it do anything? Is this like before it even starts? What did I do? What did I do? Is this even different than the last one? I think this is the same. This is the same. What? I don't really know. So I think the problem, I don't actually know what the problem is. Is it supposed to move first and then right? Like, is it supposed to do this first and then do the right? Because that's not what it's doing, because here it writes a 1 and then it moves and let's say, so this is step 1, so it's here, but, so it wrote the 1, and moved right. Oops. Can I do this? Please. Alright, so let's do that. And okay.
Fuck your opinion, nobody asks you. Look, this that wop shit. Shit'll make a nigga wanna stop, drop shit. Roll when you hit him with the Glock, knock bitch. Semi-automatic, his nigga really think he wants static.
So first it runs it. So it does this, and it moves right. Is this different? Does this have to be +1? No. This is supposed to be 1-0. Because look, it says it wrote here, and then it moved right there, and then it moved right So it moves right. So step 2. Okay, so yeah, bro, I'm not too sure what to do here. I added a +1 here, but I don't think that was supposed to, I don't think that was it. Also, why do I have 2 of them? I think I do need those. So at the 0 it should be 0. At 1 it should be 1 0 because the head moves right. Oh my god. Okay. Is this supposed to be equals? Is that what it is? Please don't tell me it's that. No, it is that. Okay. I mean, it's not that. I mean, the failure is right here at the first step. We write a 1, which is good. Then we move right. And then we update our thingy here, which I don't really get that. I don't even think we need this. We don't even need that. Oh my god. Because now there's... Okay, my one question is, why is it not including the 0 if it moved right? Like, it incremented... Like it wrote 1 at this spot, and then it moved right here. So what is the deal? I mean, I wanted to say it's +1, but it's not that simple. Cause look at it now, it's like, no. So this is, anyways, so this is 1 0. What if I do this, turning output size? So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna say if the difference equals nothing, then we're gonna turn 1, else we're gonna do this. Let's go all the way to the bottom and not... Is this correct? So it is... Turn out the start. The tape plus leftmost. And this has +1 rightmost. Okay. Okay. I think this does need a +1. I think it does need a +1. Looky there. Now we're gonna have to remove a +1 from somewhere. this? Yes, it is. Oh. I think it was that. So I think our step function was actually correct. I just had to consolidate everything into the Alright, let's take these out. And go all the way down to the go like this again. Alright, let's so at 0 we have 0, and we get 1 0, 1 1 0. Alright, 0 1 0, 1 1 0, 10 10 for this. Okay, that's not right. God dang it. God dang it. I don't get it. Let's do 4. See that. Oh my god. It adds 2. That's not even possible. It's only supposed to go 1 at a time. There's only 1 ahead. So how would it go 2 spaces? It's oh my god. Because it does +1. I think I have an idea. I have an idea. So if it moves right, then update. If it moves left, then we update. So let's try that out. Well, that didn't work. Oh wait, this has to be after. I think this is gonna work. Yes, thank the Lords. Okay, I think it's working now. I think it's working now. That took way too long. Way too long. Alright, let's do 10,000. 10,000. 10 motherfucking alright. No! What? Guys. Something is afoot. Something is afoot. What is the problem? It outputted the same thing. I mean, at least it didn't. Oh my god. Let's do motherfucking. Let's do a goddamn. Let's try the AI for once. So there's a test. Oh, wait a minute. Was the problem because I wasn't resetting it? That can't be it, right? I did load. This is insane, guys. I don't even think I did this properly. I don't think I did this properly. Whoops. Whoops, my bad. That's probably why 10,000 wasn't working. I'm not gonna lie to you. let's do Turing reset. Well, I did that here. So we reset it, and then we load, and then we do a test. We do this to there. Okay, let's try 10,000. This is 10,001. Let's do that. This might. No, it's the same thing, isn't it? Oh my goodness. What is the deal with this? It's close. Oh my god. What am I doing? Is the tape? Is this not correct? Like, is the website incorrect? Wait, okay, so since the size is 182, is that how many characters there are? Oh. Yes, I think that's it. Because this, oh, I did it. Yes. This is actually correct. See, because I'm selecting 182. So this was working. This was working. So I'll do this up to like 6. Let's do 100. Let's do it to 100. Let's take out this. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It's doing something. It is actually doing something. Alright, so let's go to step 99. Right. So yeah, we can just safely just do that. Alright, this is 99. Look at that, this is beautiful. Alright. Okay, so now we know this works. This output size. So using this, I can finally enumerate like all the you know, all the Turing machines, and then see whatever they output, and then mark that down into a frequency table, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Alright. So this is good. What I'm gonna do... let's try another form of loop, which the AI is going to come up with. It's this one. And I'm gonna do that, and the reason I'm gonna do that is because I want to make sure that I can use this, which it seems like it's working, I think. So like step 3 is 110. How does that work? So we got 110, 110, 110, and then at 5 it changes. Yeah, 0, 0, 10. Yeah. Okay, so that's perfect. So this form works as well. So that's pretty cool. So I can use either or. I can do this, I can do it from the sides, or doing it like this. This is a much nicer kind of way to do it. This is like, you have the index and stuff, but I like how it automatically increments the pointer for you, which is pretty cool. So that's nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a function for that to, you know, should I do that? I'm gonna make a hash function for the output, and I need it to be really quick. So I'm gonna try that. So the tape, I don't know. Because what I want to do is make a hash function for the tape output, which would make it smaller. And I was just thinking that it would literally just be, oh wait, never mind. I was gonna do like a mapping from okay, what I think I have to do is do a mapping. I was gonna do from the numbers, but I don't think that's feasible actually, because if we're gonna output very large things here, I don't know how many bits that is. It's like I don't know, 128 bit could be the maximum. I don't really know. So should I do like a hash table for that? I was just thinking that maybe we could like, because now that we can get the outputs, I don't know.
I got some bands, now they got their hands out. All the hoes that have a man, now they pull my pants down. They know they don't got no chance, now bitch I'm the man now. Used to be my only fan, she got only fans now. Yeah, I'm swerving, I got road rage, I feel like I don't wear no fucking Doge, I smell like Olay.
So anyways, so we know it works.
I done traded in my soulmate and got a gold chain. Okay. I came up wearing the privilege of poverty living, and I ain't had none but scraps. I had to watch niggas winning and driving them foreigns, and I was just stuck in the back. I had to learn me the business, so once
So we can do that. So this is what I gotta implement now. It's a CTM, because now I can do the outputs. So we get all the halting. This is their algorithm basically. So you have a thing, we simulate all the Turing machines. If it halts, we get the output, and so how do we do this? So the complexity of the string equal, how do we determine the size of the Turing machine? Is that how many like transitions it has? I'm not too sure about that. Not too sure about that. I'm thinking that, cause like, aren't the sizes of all of these like the same? You know, like a 4-state Turing machine will have 8 transitions in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And yeah, so doesn't that mean something? How do you, what does that even mean to get the size of this? I don't know what that means. Do not know what that means.
I used to dream of this, I ain't that nigga. I got some bands, now they got their hands out. All the hoes that have a man, now they pull my pants down. They know they don't got no chance now, bitch, I'm the man now. Used to be my only fan, she got only fans now. Yeah, I'm swerving, I got road rage, I feel like OJ. I don't wear no fucking Doja.
What? So the calculation of this does not depend on the enumeration of Turing machines? Two gigabytes of RAM. That is insane. So this was a long time ago. They used a dual core, and it was not even that quick. I mean, something that I was looking at was, what was I looking at? I was looking at this. So why? What is D? What is the relationship between D and something else? Oh. They're gonna calculate the algorithmic complexity in terms of D using this. Right here. Yeah, algorithmic probability. Yeah. Yeah, I remember that. So, the length in bits of a program So I think I have to define how many bits it would take to represent a program, like one of these things. And yeah, I don't know about that. I was thinking, you know what I could do? Like, just add up all the bits for every single number, every value, and add up all the bits, right? That would allow me to differentiate between different Turing machines within the same, that have the same number of transitions, but they're different. So for example, 2, you know, in binary, only requires a certain number of bits. 3 requires more bits than 2. So I can just simply add them all up. And these all require, 0 requires 0 bits. But at the same time, I don't get that. How do you get the length of the Turing machine?
I got some bands now, they got their hands out. All the hoes that have a man now, they pull my pants down. They know they don't got no chance now, they trying to man now.
I think I have to actually have a universal Turing machine and then feed it programs. Is that what I have to do? I don't even know. I do not know. So I think I need a universal Turing machine, and I would like to implement that in C, like the actual machine, instead of giving the program here. I think it would be much quicker. I'm not sure. Actually, now that I think about it, I don't really know. But yeah. Okay. So we got the workings of some good stuff. We are approaching this, implementing it, whatever this is. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna need a universal Turing machine, and it's going to need to accept bits, and I'm gonna need to figure that out. It's gonna have to differentiate. I'm gonna have to need to be able to differentiate programs of different lengths, I guess, because, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so there is this measure, and it is related to universal Turing machines. Yeah, one second. Alright, brodies, I'm gonna call it here. So yeah, tell me if you liked the video. I don't know. Yeah, bro. I like But anyways, bro, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, peace out.